how close are we to system that adjust production on their own, and what still needs to a human touch, perhaps?
Yeah. It's pretty much very similar to autonomous drive already we have in automotive. There are different levels, but of course, in OT and in different industries, the human is not really replaceable. What agents and AI that we are building, helping the different industries, is to kind of autonomous intelligence, helping operators and different personas doing different jobs in much better way, but helping them also making better decisions and also helping them having better, let's say, processes at the end. And I call the word more like humans are still still in the center, and agents helping humans to do the job better, but also in a very optimized way, kind of co-pilot with the autonomy, and also having better transparency on the data for decision making. That's how I call it intelligent autonomy in the future.